Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, there is this airdrop currently going on now, like Tipcoin. If you farmed Tipcoin, this one now is Memecoin, Memeland. It's just like Tipcoin. If you farm Tipcoin, you should be familiar with this one. But this very one now, you need to add. There is some tasks that you're actually going to perform. Then you earn points. It's just like Tip. You know how you did Tip airdrop. So I'm going to walk you through. I actually saw this update last night, but I could not do a video. That's why I told you guys, join my Telegram channel. Sometimes I might not be free to do videos, so I will just post the update there of my Telegram channel. So I'll be leaving the link, I'll be leaving my Telegram channel link on this video description now. So do wait to join. The other important project that I didn't make a video about that are actually there. You can actually benefit from. Do you understand? It's not every time that someone has time to make videos. So this one now is Memecoin. All you have to do is to perform some tasks and then you earn points for yourself. So let me show you. So all you have to do now is to click on the link I'll be dropping on this video description. So this one is now about referral. You don't need to refer anyone. Just click on the link. Then log in with your Twitter account and then you are good to go. Do you understand? So I will also keep you guys updated on how to farm Memecoin. But for now, all you have to do is to connect your account and perform some tasks. Do you understand? The farming hasn't started yet. Do you understand? So you need to get ready. I'm just bringing this update to you guys. So take it serious. If you missed Tipcoin, don't miss this now. So all you have to do now is to click on the link I'll be leaving on this video description. Sorry about that. You follow them on Twitter, then I'll show you. So I'll be using my BitKeep wallet. Do you understand? So you might be using your Chrome browser or your Kiwi browser, just anyone. So I'm using the browser. I'm using the app. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel, I talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. Do you understand? So I'm going to walk you through now. So all you have to do now is to, when you click on the link I'll be dropping on this video description, do wait to follow them on Twitter so that your points will count. Do you understand? But most importantly now, when you click the link, it's going to redirect you to their site now. You can actually see my points, 9,660. Do you understand? So all you have to do is to link your S profile. As I say, log in with your Twitter account and then add Memecoin to your username. I've actually done that. You can actually see that you earn 6,900 points. Tell the world. You just make a tweet. Everything will be here. They will be giving you the task. You don't need to type anything. Just tweet anything that they show you. Tell the world. You just make a tweet. You understand? Link your wallet. You just connect your wallet. Do you understand? You'll be connecting your Ethereum wallet. Do you understand? Then referred by a friend. Yes. You will be on Twitter. When you come on Twitter now, you will see people. But I'll try to get the code for you guys. It's actually a 4-digit code. So I don't have their NFT. Their NFT is expensive. You'll be needing 1.2 Ethereum. Do you know what 1.2 Ethereum is? Like a 1 Ethereum and the 2. Like almost 1 million plus. Do you understand? And then for you to get their NFT, you'll be needing 4 Ethereum, which is 4.20 million or 5 million if I'm not mistaken. So we can't afford that. Do you understand? So we just find a code from people that actually have it and then input the code. I'll try my possible best to leave the code on this video description. So me, I don't have their Ethereum. It's expensive. You need 1 Ethereum, and I don't know 1 Ethereum is. It's expensive. It's 1.20 million. Do you understand? So I don't have it. So I'm still trying to grow to find you. I'm still like trying to get liquidity from this airdrop of 18. Do you understand? So if you are new to Web3, welcome to my channel. Here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So do wait to see this video to the end. So when you get the code, you input the code That's just it. And then all these ones is locked. So you earn yourself 9,660 points instantly. Let me show you my YouTube, my Twitter, this thing. Like, you just, all these things, you just add it. There is nothing there. And then stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to farm. The farming hasn't started yet. Do you understand? So give this video a thumbs up, share this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe so that others can also benefit from it. So that will be all for now. Guys. See you soon. I do bring you guys updates. So join my Telegram channel, guys. So that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.